Alrighty, so here we are with the van again. And I took the driver's seat back out, and I took the rubber floor up that was down. Found me some rust here. I've cleaned it up pretty good, and there's where the seat goes. So I cleaned it up pretty good. I want to spray it with some Kills and probably re-seal this fender well here. Inner fender well, or whatever you want to call it. It looks like it probably leaked in. Any leaks there or under the dash, I don't know yet. I want to seal both of them. I want to put some carpet down in here once I seal that and spray it with some Kills or something, or I'll probably use some Rust-Oleum on there. I might rub it down in oil first because I heard oil stops rust pretty good. And then just put me some insulation down on top of the oil, like a thin coat of oil. It's nothing that's going to soak through. And some insulation, and then carpet. Still got to put my seat covers on. Got wires everywhere. Look at this. Wires. Got this sucker torn all apart. Got crap all back there. Got the roof tore out. I still got to fix holes up there. All this stuff's everywhere. It's a mess. I mean, I got my horn hooked up, or my digital box here, where I can do animals and sirens and PA system. That's gonna be fun to play with. Yeah, that's what we're doing so far. Got my panels tore off. Getting ready to do some resin on them to put my 6x9s in. There's my seat covers, carpet. Hoping to get the carpet and seat covers done today, so I can run my wires to the back, get all that cleaned out. I'll be happy with that for right now. Alrighty, peace out, people.